Let's save you some time and minimize some confusion with your record keeping by making sure that you understand how to properly record your purchases. I'm Jessica Krause with New Life Accounting, and this is Build What Lasts. So many times we get into a new client's books and their fixed assets don't match their tax return. They have a million little items, little charges in there that they're trying to track depreciation on, and items that are left in there from 10, 15, longer years ago that they no longer have, they no longer are using, but they've never been cleaned up. So we spend a lot of time cleaning up this area. So I wanted to share with you some best practices to help you keep your fixed asset accounts cleaned up and depreciation consistently recorded. So number one, the de minimis safe harbor election allows you to deduct the full cost of items that are worth $2,500 or less instead of depreciating them. So this rule used to be $500. So we still see a lot of confusion about this, and a lot of businesses don't know this is out there. So you can elect to deduct the full cost of anything that is $2,500 or less. We see a lot of $100, $300, $500, $600 charges in there that they're trying to track when really those can just be expensed on the income statement. This keeps your record keeping much simpler. So number two, prepare a depreciation schedule internally. So you can do this very simply on a straight line basis. Your depreciation for your books does not have to be more complicated than a straight line. So you do not have to take the same method that you're using for tax on your books. So this is going to allow your financials to be more consistent month over month, and you're not having to wait on that tax preparer to send you over the depreciation at the end of the year. Also, review your asset list annually. So before you close the year out, go through your fixed assets. Make sure you don't have any assets that need to be disposed of. If you do, go ahead and clean those up at that time. So content is worthless without action. So your action item is to review your current fixed asset list. Clear out assets that are no longer in use and adjust any items in the current year that fall under that de minimis safe harbor election if it applies to you. If you need help cleaning up your financials, fixed assets, depreciation, and setting up that schedule, please set up a time to chat with us. There's a link in the email or below in the video, and we'll give you an hour of our time to see how we can best help your construction business. We know your time is valuable. Thank you so much for listening. I'm Jessica Krause with New Life Accounting, and we're here to help you build what lasts.